Queen legend. Unknown, Brian May watches total solar eclipse in Spain. A rock star. Turned stargazer. Brian May, the legendary guitarist behind Queen, was spotted today at the Javalambre Observatory in the small Spanish town of Arcos de las Salinas, just hours before one of the rarest events in the sky. And this isn't just a fan moment. May holds a PhD in astrophysics, and today he was given a front row seat to science, shown a special telescope, the very instrument researchers will use to study the total solar eclipse as it sweeps across Spain. He didn't hide his excitement. Across his Instagram stories, May shared his passion for the cosmos and his anticipation for what's about to happen above Europe. Because this is bigger than one observatory. Millions are converging on Iceland and northern Spain right now, chasing Europe's first total solar eclipse in 27 years. But officials are sounding the alarm too. A dangerous heatwave has sparked wildfire risks across the region, and Spanish authorities are urging visitors to steer clear of high-danger zones. Even with the warnings, the crowds keep coming. Up to 6 million people are expected across the eclipse's path, from Spain's rural north to the sun-drenched Balearic Islands. A rock legend, a rare sky, and a nation holding its breath.